Good morning children, this is grade 4 science class. We are doing revision part. Now today we will revise block 13 from our portion composition of air. So we have learned in this block air is a mixture of different gases, and in S2 we have learned that oxygen is present in air. By an activity we have proved that oxygen gas is present in air. And in S3 we have learned that carbon dioxide and water vapor is also present in air. And S4 uses of different gases in air. So as air is a mixture of different gases, what are the uses of different gases we have discussed in this concept. Now let us revise the important questions from reader and workbook. Now see the reader part children. Composition of air. Air is a mixture of gases. 78% of nitrogen and 1% of carbon dioxide, argon, water vapor and other gases, and 21% of oxygen. It is a composition of air. Oxygen in air we have proved by an activity, and carbon dioxide and water vapor in air. Uses of different gases in air. Now we'll see the practice questions. From practice questions you are going to write first and seventh one. What is the composition of air? So if you read the lesson, you will get the composition. Air is a mixture of different gases. Nearly 3/4, that is 78% of air is made up of nitrogen gas, and about 1/5, 21% of the air is made up of oxygen, and carbon dioxide, water vapor and other gases make up the rest 1% of the air. And what is the use of nitrogen? The nitrogen gas filled in the puffy packets of potato chips helps to keep potato chips and other oily food items fresh. Nitrogen gas is also used in making fertilizers. Farmers use these fertilizers for production of crops. So you have to learn this, and you are going to write one time in your classwork children, in your revision part. First one and seventh one you are going to write from practice questions in your classwork. Now we'll see the workbook part. Look at S1 children from workbook. Air is a mixture of gases. So if you know the composition of air, then you can write this pie chart. So already you are learning in practice question. So you can easily attempt this pie chart. And you have to learn all these answers. Color the oval with which air can be best compared with and why. Learn all these answers from S1 children. From S2, oxygen in air. So from this you are going to write second one. Complete the table based on the experiment performed. So what experiment we have performed, you are going to write procedure and observation and conclusion part. So they may ask you to explain the experiment, and they may ask you to what did you observe by this activity and what you can conclude by this activity. So if you have to learn this experiment and write one time in your revision part children. From S2 you are writing second one. And from S3, water vapor and carbon dioxide in air. From this also you are going to learn the activity. So the experiment procedure, whatever the activity we have done, that procedure you are going to learn and write one time, observation and conclusion part. Learn the other answers children. Now we'll see S4. Uses of gas in air. So what would happen if there was no oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air? So what will happen if there will be no oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air? Then all the plants will die, and because they would not be able to prepare their food without carbon dioxide. And all the human beings would also die because they would not be able to breathe without oxygen. So this is the uses of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So if there was no such gas, oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air, what will happen? You are going to explain, children. So from this S4 you are going to write first one. Okay, children? Learn all these answers and write one time in your classwork. Thank you.